harvesting a bunch of bananas. Project for the day. I'm bringing this bunch down because I've got another bunch up there that's also due to ripen, and I don't want two ripe bunches. I want to spread out the amount of fruit I've got. Project for the day is to bring down this bunch of bananas. I want to cut the pseudo-stem in such a way that I get a soft landing with the bunch as it comes down to the ground. So the tools I've got are a reciprocating saw with a 12-inch blade and a pair of heavy-duty scissors, titanium coated, with a slight serration on the edges, and a heavy-duty spade. The saw is such that you can hold it in one hand and do the cutting. The saw is set up so I can run it with just one hand, which works well for cutting when you're having to extend right out. So I'll make the cut in this area here and just cut on that sort of angle a wedge so it slowly folds down when it collapses. The scissors are good, they easily cut through flax fronds or leaves. And just cut them up. They'll also cut through quite heavy branches. The scissors are good when you come to cut up the banana leaves later. I've been through a fair number of scissors over the years, and these are the best I've had by far. Titanium coated crescent scissors with whisks on the front as well. Got them from Mitre 10 in New Zealand. So easily take out the flax leaves and even these branches. the bunch is in amongst these mahui, which will help with the soft landing. We'll see how it goes. Right, one harvested bunch of bananas. Next job is to chop up the rest of the stem and put it back under the banana. Right, you can easily chop up the leaves with the pair of scissors. and also chopping up the pseudo stem. What I like about the reciprocating saw over a machete is you don't damage the suckers that are growing around the stem you're bringing down. It's interesting to see the almost honeycomb-like structure to the leaves. Obviously gives them the strength to hold up the stem when it appears with the flower. So once segmented, then just run the reciprocating saw down the length of each segment. So once segmented, then just run the reciprocating saw down the length of each segment to split them in two. I used to do it with a spade and it was hard work. And it is also with this. Okay. So once segmented, split each segment in half with a heavy duty spade. So once segmented, split each segment in half with a heavy duty spade. Alright, then pile up the chopped up stems around the base. Okay, I'll be using these bananas once they ripen just to eat, and also for banana mango ice cream and banana bread and banana on waffles. Removing the hands of bananas. Oops, got a few. Removing the bananas before taking them up the hill saves having to carry a whole bunch of bananas up the hill. One bunch of bananas harvested. These were Misi Luki Bananas, a Samoan banana. I've had grown here for over 3 years. Harvested 3 stems now.